Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to use Skyward. To start using Skyward, you should open the San Roberto website, locate the ISR resources link on the top right corner, and click on it. You will see a series of buttons of all the services San Roberto offers online, one of them being Skyward Access. Select the Skyward Access and you will open a window asking for your login credentials, your username and password. For security reasons, passwords have to be changed every 90 days. If you forget your password, you can use this link to ask for a new one. You will enter your email that you have registered in Skyward, and instructions will be sent to you to reset your password. You will write your username and password in this login page, and when you hit login, you will arrive to your home screen. The home screen shows relevant information of all your children that study at San Roberto International School. You could select only one student to be displayed at one time so that you can see the messages and the upcoming events of only that student. Here we see how to switch from one student to the other. You see the upcoming events on the right side and important messages in the center of the screen. In order to see the upcoming events and homeworks that the student has, you can use the calendar. Again, you can switch between one student and the other, and you will see the homeworks and events coming up for that particular student. If you click on the event, you can see detailed information about that event in the calendar. For grades, you will select the gradebook. Here, you can see how the student is doing with regards to his or her classes. It is important to remember that San Roberto uses a 4-point grade scale, and you can see descriptions of that scale on the top. You have important information that are of missing work for the student here on the top. And down here you can see a breakdown of all the grades for all the classes that the student is having currently. You will see the current term in yellow, so you know which is the active term in the school. If you want to check attendance, see how many absences or tardies the student has, you click on the attendance button. You see a list of when absences and tardies have been happening, and again you can select between one student or the other in this pull-down menu. Important contact information or student general information is shown in this area. It is important to update any change in your information, and you can do that using this link of My Account. Email changes, phone number changes, you can click and update here. With regards to discipline reports, you can see that here in the discipline menu. Any important information with regards to discipline will be shown here. You see the portfolio. Any example of student work that is added to the system will be shown in this area. And finally, your login history will also be kept in Skyward for your information. We hope this video can help you with your use of Skyward. Click Exit to shut down the system. Thank you.